Hey guys and girls, this is Alish from gainmedialab.com. Welcome to my exciting world of live audio mixing. In today's video, we talk about an exciting new online course. But before we get into all the details, make sure that you have subscribed to this channel and turned on notifications so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. With all that out of the way, let's go. Because of the entire pandemic situation, live events have been shut down almost completely. And live entertainment industry is not doing what it's supposed to be doing, being out in the field, creating live events. Instead, we have been faced with a surge of online content and online courses. So it's sometimes really difficult to find out which ones are good, which content is great and valuable. And I'm here to tell you about a new online course that I think is just marvelous. It's called Show Power. It's made by Scott Adamson at theproductionacademy.com, and you can find it by clicking the link in the video description down below. Now, Scott is one of the most renowned sound engineers out there, and he's been working with Grammy Award winners and some of the biggest names in live entertainment today. He's also a great online educator, and I have had the privilege of working with him personally. That's why I decided to give him a call and let him explain what this course is about and who it's for. Hey Scott, thanks for joining me in this video. We will be talking today about the new online course that you have produced for the productionacademy.com. Tell me more about Show Power, what it is, who's it for, and first of all, I want to know, will that make me an electrician?
Definitely not. I mean, electricity is super dangerous, and this is something I talk about in the course a lot. Really, especially with high voltage connections, this stuff can really be dangerous. So first and foremost, we think about safety first with electricity. And to be a properly trained electrician, it takes a lot of hands-on training and a lot of more math than we go into in this course. But this course does go through all the things that we need to know about safely managing power distribution for live music, how we power audio systems, how we power lighting systems. And it's the stuff that, for those of us that work in live music production, it's the day-to-day stuff that we need to know about how we safely manage power distribution for live music. So, a lot of stuff about electricity fundamentals, but also really how that stuff affects live music production, because that's really the stuff I think that's kind of hard to find out there. That's the knowledge that's kind of hard to have access to. So that's why I put this course together.
So it's not basically just for sound engineers, but it is for everybody who is working on stages. Is that right?
Sure. Ultimately, this is the same electrical distribution gear that we use in corporate events or for the circus or whatever kind of event that you're using, any kind of like live event where you're getting a bunch of people together and using any kind of electrical gear, including audio or lighting gear. So it really is applicable in a lot of situations. Of course, I work as a sound engineer, so I talk about it from that perspective mostly, and from the perspective of live music production. So it is really great for anyone that's dealing with audio or lighting systems at all, either with live music or houses of worship or really anything like that. So if you're using audio or lights, you really do need to know how much power you need, how to safely manage that power, and really know about how electricity affects our live music productions. So yes, it is for any engineers, anybody working with audio or lighting systems.
Because I had the privilege of actually previewing that course, what I was mostly considering was how it would translate between the US electrical systems and European electrical systems, or basically electrical systems around the globe. But it's, electricity is electricity, and, despite the fact that we are working with different voltages, it is basically the same game, right?
It is. Really, the fundamentals are exactly the same. And it's really the connectors that are the big difference. Actually in Europe, the UK, and a lot of other places around the world, you use C-form connectors. Some people call them pin and sleeve connectors. But I mean, in my opinion, I love them. I think I wish that we use those in the US. we don't. In the US, we kind of have a hodgepodge of connectors. There's a bunch of different manufacturers that have made twist lock connectors that we use for both single and three-phase power. But in any case, even though the connectors are different, the fundamentals really are the same. And we're really just need to know how much current we need, what kind of voltages we're dealing with, and how that affects specifically our audio and lighting systems.
So let's get, into the technical details about the course. How long is it? Where can people access it? And how much is it? What is the price point for that?
Yeah, sure. So it's all available through theproductionacademy.com. That's my website. So if you go to theproductionacademy.com/show-power or just go to the productionacademy.com/courses, it's all available right there. And it's $297. It's I don't know the total time exactly. It's about 50 videos. It's the way I do videos is really dense information. It's a lot of information packed into short videos. So there's a lot of info in there. There's quizzes that go along with every video and some practical exercises to help you kind of see how it all kind of fits together, and really put all the information to practical use.
And this course, Show Power, is in addition to a lot of other courses that you have already set up on theproductionacademy.com. What are the other courses that you are offering there?
The other paid course I have is called Live Sound Essentials. It's I offer it as a subscription or a one-time course fee. It's all about the live sound basics, everything you need to know about how we use audio for live music. I'm a professional audio engineer, a touring engineer, so it's really a lot of all that knowledge that I've gained from over my career, and trying to put it all in one place to make it easily understandable and easily accessible, and really kind of use a lot of diagrams and other learning materials to help solidify the knowledge there. But so there's Live Sound Essentials also available at theproductionacademy.com, but I do have 2 free courses. Stage, which is a 5-video course, and then Mixer. Stage talks about frequency, fundamental things that kind of everybody needs to know, musicians, sound engineers, kind of fundamental live sound stuff. And then Mixer is about the fundamentals of using a mixing console for live music. So those 2 free courses are up there. I am coming out with a lot more free courses coming up soon, so a lot more stuff coming. I'm kind of in video production mode right now, so I'm excited to be putting out a lot of free stuff coming up. So stay tuned. Of course, if you come to the Production Academy, please sign up for the mailing list, and I'll keep you updated.
Well, thanks, Scott, for joining me in this video. I hope you're taking care of yourself and staying healthy and safe. And hopefully we'll get to work together some more on your upcoming online courses as well.
Thanks, Alex. Appreciate it.
This was it for this video. Let me know what you think about Scott's course, and if you have taken any of his courses, please comment down below. Also, make sure to visit gainmedialab.com for more delicious content, and of course, like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you find it interesting. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, mix great shows. Take care. Bye.